In the previous episode of CMC series, we have seen how a farmer from Italy becomes the owner of world's most famous car company Lamborghini. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of CMC series. In this episode, we are gonna look at 10 things that you didn't know about Bugatti. Bugatti was founded by Arthur Bugatti in 1909, over 100 years back in Molsheim, France. Arthur Bugatti comes from a family of artists, and his father was a famous Italian jewelry and furniture designer. As a young man, Arthur Bugatti was more than just a horse enthusiast but also a horse breeder and a collector of carriages. Since then, the brand has developed a name for building some of the most exclusive and fast cars ever made. One Bugatti vehicle lost its air engine in an explosion when it was being tested in one of the locations. The whole area exploded because of it. In the 1930s, the Bugatti company got involved in the creation of planes in the hopes to beat the Germans in a competition. Their plane model would be called the Bugatti 100P, but it never flew. When engineers were testing the first Veyron engine in 2001, the engine produced enough heat that it nearly burned the whole manufacturing plant. Bugatti is currently owned by Volkswagen Group. Not only Bugatti but also other top car manufacturers such as Audi, Bentley, Lamborghini and Porsche are also acquired by Volkswagen. In the early days, the front grille of Bugatti Veyron was made out of aluminium, but it turns out that this wasn't a good idea for high-speed testing. Surprisingly, bird strikes are as big as an issue for this high-class vehicle as they are for airplanes. As Arthur Bugatti was obsessed with horses, the front grille of Bugatti was inspired from the shoes of his horses. All Bugatti Chiron's come standard with diamonds, though they are somewhat hidden in the speedometer and power needles. The standard car has only one radiator, but the Bugatti Veyron needs 10 radiators to keep all 1200 of its horses cool. Since it takes 15 hours to build just one radiator for this vehicle, that means that it takes 150 hours to build the entire system for only one vehicle. At top speed, Veyron consumes the amount of air equal to the air consumed by a single man in 4 days. Don't expect good mileage from Bugatti because when the Veyron runs on full speed, it takes 20 minutes to empty the fuel tank. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Press the subscribe button and I will catch up you in the next video. Thank you.